Hyderabad, a city with a vision, a place where innovation meets opportunity and growth is boundless, a city that has transformed into one of the nation's fastest growing economies. Our economy has grown nearly 200% in the past decade. This is our city, driven by the ambition of its people, powered by world-class infrastructure, and driven by sectors like IT, pharma, and trade. At the heart of this transformation is RGIA, an emerging hub airport designed to accommodate 40 million passengers with connections to 99 destinations and counting. What started as a vision has now become a global gateway, powering Hyderabad's economic rise. It's not just an airport, it's the catalyst of Hyderabad's growth. In 2024 to 25 alone, RGIA contributed 8,736 crore to Telangana's economy, directly creating thousands of jobs and driving growth across various sectors. GMR Hyderabad International Airport has a powerful ecosystem that brings together MRO, cargo, retail, and aviation services. Its AeroCity further expands this with logistics, warehousing, education, and hospitality. This GMR AeroCity, as an integrated hub, generates a gross value added of 7,028 crore and supports 65,475 jobs. And with exports growing 22% every year, RGIA connects Hyderabad to global markets, contributing 6% of India's total airborne exports. The Aerospace Park is not just an industrial hub. It's an integrated ecosystem driving Hyderabad's growth. The 277-acre Aerospace and Industrial Park is located within the 1,500-acre AeroCity, which is home to global businesses like Safran, which has established its largest engine MRO facility worldwide in AeroCity, Hyderabad. This thriving hub encompasses key sectors including aerospace and industrial, premium retail destination, logistics and warehousing, education, and hospitality. Telangana's vision aligns closely with India's Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India initiatives, marking a giant leap towards self-reliance and innovation in India's aviation sector. RGIA is poised to become a global aviation powerhouse. With growing demand, passenger traffic is projected to reach 88 million annually by 2038. With expansions planned for this demand, the airport plus AeroCity ecosystem will create an economic impact of over 2.1 lakh crore in 2038 and create 9.8 lakh jobs in total. Looking ahead, RGIA has the potential to exceed an annual passenger handling capacity of 100 million, placing it among the largest airports in the world and establishing it as a premier gateway connecting Telangana and India to global markets. This is the new Telangana, a state that has risen with vision, ambition, and relentless growth. Powered by RGIA and its ecosystem, we are transforming industries, creating opportunities, and paving the way for India's future as a global economic powerhouse. RGIA's contributions have been recognized across multiple sectors, highlighting its vital role in driving Telangana's success. This is our Telangana rising and poised to elevate India to new global heights. Together, we are shaping the future of India's rise on the global stage as a true economic hub of the future.